Is matte or dewy foundation better for mature skin? Do you know the answer to that? I don't know what the official answer is. I know what my opinion is, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a little test to see for sure. A lot of times I think one thing, and then when I see it on camera, I realize I'm wrong. So let's see. On this side, I'm going to do the matte. It is the Ulta Complexion Crush. And then on this side, I'm gonna do the Wet n Wild Dewy foundation. So let's see. Okay, here are the results. I have nothing else, no contour, no bronzer, no highlighter, nothing else. Literally just both of the foundations directly on my skin with nothing on. Matte, dewy. What do you think? Well, this is another example of when I look back at the video, what my opinion was when I looked at it is very different than what I thought it was originally. Originally, my assumption is dewy is always going to make you look more youthful because we're always looking for that glow from within to make us look more vibrant. That glow, that vibrancy, those are things that make us look youthful. But when I look back on the video, this side to me looks more youthful. I think that's because it appears to have more coverage than this side. I don't know if that has anything to do with it being dewy or not. Neither one is heavy coverage. They're both medium coverage. And I put very little on both. I didn't put more on one side than I did on the other on purpose to make it as even as possible. There really is a lot more that goes into looking youthful. It's everything combined, what you use and how you use it. In fact, I think the primer is way more important. If you get a good blurring primer that fills in your lines and wrinkles, then whatever foundation you get is going to go over a smooth surface. So it is about your foundation. Did you choose the right shade for you? Did you blend it in properly? Are all the rest of the colors that you're choosing for your makeup complementary? Are they good for your skin tone? Are you blending all of that in properly? Do you have a good skincare routine? Skincare is very important to how your makeup looks ultimately. So those are just my opinions. In this quick little test, I'm gonna go with the matte foundation.